Imagine waking up every morning to panoramic views across Accra, fresh mountain air, almost no city noise, and a luxury 5-bedroom home just minutes away from everything that matters. Most people think you have to choose between convenience and peace. Here in Ayi Mensah, you absolutely don't. Today, I'm taking you inside one of the most exciting residential developments currently available on the outskirts of Accra. And if you're looking for a family home, a retirement property, or a long-term investment in Ghana, you'll want to watch and wait until the end. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Asher and Gad, my name is Kingsley, and on this channel, we explore quality property developments, engineering, infrastructure, investment opportunities, and family life in Ghana. Today, we're looking at a premium development in the Ayi Mensah area. This development consists of 4 luxury detached homes. One has already been sold. That means only 3 properties remain available. Each property is currently offered at $600,000 to serious interested people. Each home has been designed with generous family living in mind. Every property includes the following: 5 spacious bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 6 toilets, and 2 large living rooms. The structural construction has already been completed, allowing buyers to appreciate the true scale of the home. These aren't compact city properties, absolutely not. These are substantial family homes with space to entertain, space to grow, and space to enjoy. As you can see from the footage, the development occupies an elevated position, giving many of the homes spectacular views across the Accra landscape. This really is one of those locations where the photographs simply don't do it justice. One of the biggest selling points is the location. Ayi Mensah has become one of the most desirable residential areas around Accra. It offers something that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. And what is that? Peace and tranquility without being isolated. Okay, you're approximately, I would say, around 45 minutes from the Kotoka International Airport, roughly about 30 minutes from the Accra Mall, and you're just minutes away, 5 to 10 minutes walk away from the Oyarifa Mall. So whether you're traveling internationally, shopping, dining out, or commuting into Accra, everything remains within comfortable reach. Yet when you are home, you're greeted by cooler temperatures, fresh mountain breeze, and a far more peaceful environment than the busy city center. It's a lifestyle that many people are actively searching for. Cool weather within Accra. Okay, the higher you go, the cooler it gets. For many buyers, luxury isn't about only marble floors and large rooms. Luxury is about the quality of life. It's about waking up to a beautiful scenery. It's about cleaner air. It's about enjoying your morning coffee overlooking the city instead of sitting in traffic. It's about giving your family space. And it's about investing in an area that continues to attract demand. Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time. Demand. Whether you're buying for yourself, buying for your children, relocating back to Ghana, or looking for a premium investment property, this development deserves serious, really serious consideration. As mentioned earlier, there were originally 4 homes. 1 has already been sold, okay, and only 3 remain available. The asking price is $600,000 negotiable. Genuine offers will be considered. If you'd like more information, okay, just contact Asher and Gad on the number on your screen, okay, and we can give you some more information and put you in contact with the relevant people, okay. By all means, as we always say, when you're buying land in Ghana, do your research, go and have a look and make your choice, okay. If you enjoy seeing high quality property developments and investment opportunities in Ghana, make sure you like, subscribe, and hype these channels and turn your notifications on always for the next video. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, guys. From God is Kemesia, and for me, guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.